Tired of juggling spreadsheets and sticky notes to manage your properties? Let's break down Doorloop vs Stessa to find the perfect property management sidekick for you. First up, Rent Collection. Doorloop offers a robust system, allowing tenants to pay online via OC or credit card. With automated reminders and late fee enforcement, you can easily track payments, send receipts, and manage delinquencies directly within the platform. Stessa focuses more on financial tracking, directly connecting to your bank accounts to automatically categorize income and expenses related to your properties. It's less about actively collecting rent through the platform itself and more about monitoring the money coming in and out. When it comes to tenant screening, Doorloop provides built-in tools for background checks, credit reports, and eviction history. Stessa shines with its powerful reporting features, generating income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports to give you a clear financial picture of your portfolio. Maintenance tracking is another key area. Doorloop allows tenants to submit maintenance requests directly through the portal, which you can then assign to vendors and track the progress. Stessa has limited maintenance tracking capabilities. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities. If you need comprehensive property management tools, including rent collection and maintenance tracking, Doorloop is a strong contender. If you primarily want detailed financial tracking and reporting, Stessa might be a better fit. Consider your portfolio size and specific needs to make the right decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate insights.